Okay, today, vlog 2, day 5, and we're gonna spin over to Lone Rock, meet my buddy Austin over there, probably bring him back here because he's never landed off airport, and maybe stop somewhere else, I don't know, we'll see. Jeez.
Okay, here we go.
Wind 040 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 3,900. Temperature 29 Celsius. Dew point 23 Celsius. Altimeter 2997. Remarks. Density altitude 2,500. Lone Rock. Try.
Wisconsin River is still really high right now. Normally, this time of year, that river would be covered with sandbars, and I don't see a single one today. Lone Rock's been flooded this summer, so we can't use the grass that we would normally use. But that's okay, because I've got small tires anyway. Taxiway is covered.
So this is Austin, the guy I was telling you about.
Uh-oh.
So we haven't figured out
what he says.
we haven't figured out what we're gonna do. So we're gonna figure out what we're doing, and then we're gonna go do it. I think we're gonna go land at the farm though. You wanna go land at the farm?
Maybe. We'll see.
Yeah?
Maybe. I just put on 400 pounds of fuel.
Oh no, we can take my plane.
Okay. Oh yeah, we'll definitely do that.
Yeah.
Are we on your knees? We're okay. And you're a pilot.
Yep.
If you feel something, you'll get the hell out of the way.
The tailwheel pilot at that.
Yeah. So why don't we go over to the farm, and then we can go over to, what's the name of that other one? There's a privately listed one over here
Oh, I'm not
that I always forget the name of. But I emailed the guy a couple of years ago and got permission to land there. So we can do that one too.
Very nice.
Okay, your airplane.
High control. Oh, it's light. Like that.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's much lighter. I mean, you flew the 180.
Oh yeah, that's right. And I made that same comment about how heavy it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think of this plane as being particularly light, because what I compare it to are like aerobatic airplanes,
Right.
like an Extra or Pitts.
What do you like to climb at?
Actually, we're already up. We're as high as we need to go.
All right.
I'm taking your flaps out,
Yeah, your power control too.
and then I'm going to dial you back.
All right.
The trim's down by your leg if you need it.
Sure.
Oh, we're going to go this way.
Yep. Playing around a little.
Yep.
Flies nice though.
In general, I like this plane quite a bit. It's a compromise, right? It's not the shortest thing out there. It's not the fastest thing out there, but it's pretty short and it's pretty fast.
Yep.
And it won't carry 2,000 pounds, but It'll carry everything that I need it to
Sure.
carry for the mission that I've got for it right now.
It's a long nose.
Is it?
Yeah. The visibility's just insane though.
Yeah. Yeah, with the patrol doors and everything.
Yeah. And you know, on the 180, a patrol door doesn't do anything for you because you sit so far forward.
Is that right?
Oh,
You'd be
yeah.
like looking down here.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful day too. Flying over was great.
Yeah. Yeah, given how puffy some of these clouds are, I was surprised how smooth things were.
Yeah. So it looks like next year I'm gonna hangar my plane at like Sauk probably.
Yeah.
The west side's just so much better.
Depending on how things go, I'll probably let you take it to base.
Okay.
Okay, now you see up here how at the top of the hill, the trees change color?
Sure.
The lighter color ones are the tree farm next door to us.
Got
So
it.
that's a good aiming point for now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to give you a power reduction.
All right. Keep
I'll
this
help
out
you with the
here
trim
for
a
now.
little bit here.
Yeah, I'm so used to flying.
That should, once you let the speed bleed off, that should keep us level and just inside the white arc.
Sure.
You've been over here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I gave you
flown
GPS
over.
coordinates or something.
I just kind of wandered around the hillside with Joel until we found your plane.
Oh, okay.
The control harmony's just so good in this airplane.
You know, it's got a helper on the rudder.
Real me too.
Okay, I'm going to take it back.
Your controls.
My airplane.
Your plane.
You can see by the tire marks where my landing point typically is. Ooh, big bounce.
Hey, I've got gear that does that too.
That's right. The spring gear, that's what it is.
Yep. Yeah, we can blame it on that. Oh, fantastic.
So I let it get slow, and the first bounce was mine, and then the second bounce is actually topographic, and I almost always get, you know, about a 6-inch bounce
Sure.
off of that.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Helping you fulfill your July flying. Unless you already flew today.
Nope, I saved it for you, buddy.
All right.
You are responsible for my addiction today.
You all set up for Oshkosh?
Yeah, I think so. Pretty close.
Got your booth and everything?
We're not going to have a booth this year.
No?
No, it's really hard to make the economics work.
Okay.
Because, I mean, just the fee to EAA is, I think, over $4,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So you have to sell a lot of cleaning supplies for that to make sense.
Right. A lot of publicity.
Yeah. Our big push this year at Plane Perfect is Amazon.
Okay.
So all of our products are available on Prime now.
Awesome. And just for the blog, they're great products. Necessary plug.
Yep. So this one is actually on the sectional, but it's marked as private.
Okay.
And if you ever get to the point where you think you can take your plane in here, we can get you an email address to ask permission.
And how long is this one?
Don't know. And my AFD is at the farm. Basically, whenever possible, you want to land to the east. It's a pretty significant uphill climb.
Yep.
And the winds today are pretty neutral.
It's a beautiful house. Oh, my.
Yeah, it is. Super gorgeous. Man, this golden hour light.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe we'll do some formation after this if you're up for it.
I'm game. I'm absolutely game. So this looks way shorter than it is because of that slope.
Sure.
Damn, man. Okay, that one wasn't me.
How come my best landings are solo? Why is that?
Yeah, how about it? I think it's the extra weight.
That's it.
Oh, I forgot about this. Every time I come to this field, I have to take off into a direct sun.
Oh, you always come here at this time of the day?
It seems that way. All right, here we go. Boy, that sun is something, eh? Okay, your airplane?
I control. And rudder back. Where are we going?
Let's head back to Lone Rock and lose some formation. I like that idea.
Sounds good. One rocks that way.
Yep. Lone Rock traffic orange mall, 3 miles to the south, inbound landing Lone Rock. What little wind there is variable.
Do you notice the short coupledness of the landing gear a lot? Or?
Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah, usually, I don't know if you know this, but usually to the north of runway 9,
Yeah.
they mow it, and we use that as a grass runway.
Right.
But that's, I mean, there's like water plants growing in it. There's reeds and stuff. Okay, I have the controls.
Air control. Ready for skis next year? I saw you got the fittings on your...
Yeah, and if you go into Ryan's shop, you'll see my skis.
Yeah, I think I stole them once or twice.
Yeah, got everything set up and installed and ready to go last year. And then I had to go to Mexico, so I didn't actually have a chance to ever fly it. Lone Rock traffic orange mall turning final, runway 09, Lone Rock.
Good looking plane on the ramp there.
It is. You should talk to the owner.
I hear he's a jerk.
Is that right?
Yeah, real asshole.
Well, that's unfortunate, but no, aviation does have some of those too.
Well, thanks for showing me your farm. I really appreciate it. And
Yeah.
the ride, and the after years of begging.
No problem. All right, you back there? You back there?
Yep, good to go.
Okay, I had a camera issue, but I think I've got it sorted out now. So, off we go. Lone Rock traffic, flight of 2, departing runway 09 to the east. Lone Rock.
Over to fingers. You up on fingers?
Yep.
Probably a half mile in trail. I'll close it up a little bit.
Okay, I'll slow down. Let me know when you're getting a little bit closer.
All right, I'm quite a bit closer now. You can go ahead and speed up.
You can see the GoPro from where you are, right?
Yep, sure can.
Yeah, it looked like the right angle to me. When we were out in Idaho, one of our guys lost a GoPro off his wing.
Oh, that sounds painful.
So it was doubly painful because he saw it and somebody in formation with him saw it. So they both watched, I don't know, $400 worth of hardware tumble to the ground. And the killer part is he had just bought it. He literally had not gotten the credit card statement with the GoPro on it yet.
Oh, what kind of mount was it?
It was a normal mount. It was actually a pilot error. It wasn't a mounting issue.
Wow, this is pretty. I don't think the camera's going to be able to capture how pretty this is.
Yeah, that is the downside, right? You get back, you put the video on, and you're like, oh no, that's not what it was like at all. It was way better. Oh, that's going to be a nice shot. Yeah, let's take advantage of this good light here.
And we've got the best 2 bush planes in the area.
I'm sure that's true. But every time I look back, you're in the same spot. So I think you might have done this before.
Yeah, I did it with Jim even not too long ago. Thanks for coming to play with me. I'll see you soon. I can't wait to see the footage.
Yeah, man, I hope it turns out well. It was fun flying.
I'm going to follow you into your approach on the farm, but I'll fly overhead and try and get some footage of you.
Okay, roger that.
Got you in sight, and I'm coming. I'll be behind you and then to your right.
Oh, the way you were flying before, I don't have too many worries about you.
At least not with my flying.
Fair point. Well, apparently being blinded by the sun is a good way to grace one on.
There you go. We got some good footage there. I'll see you later.
All right, see you, buddy. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too.
And that's how we do it. Wait for the golden hour, go out and do some flying, have some fun. That's 5 days in a row. See you tomorrow.